Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good and taking utmost care of yourself and your family in these difficult times. This year is all about survival and we all have to put up our best efforts in terms of safeguarding ourselves and our families. Do not venture out unnecessarily if it is not required. Avoid crowded places. Always keep your hands sanitized every 15 to 20 minutes and especially with kids and elderly, always ensure that they're wearing masks, and it's your responsibility that you ensure that they are sanitizing their hands. I know this is a phase and this phase will also pass through, so we have to hold on for this level to pass by, and I'm sure there is a bright light at the end of the tunnel, so we have to wait for it and be patient. So guys, in today's video we will analyze Bank Nifty as always, and as you can see on my chart, I am having a monthly chart of Bank Nifty. As per my last video, we have said that if the candle close is in positive territory for this month, it is definitely going to give us a good sign. So as you can see here, it has formed a candle which is a 50% candle, and it has retraced from this level, so it's a very good sign for us. April has given us a good sign, so let's see how May will start. So as of now, I'm still bullish on the market, the trend, but let's see on a lower time frame, which is a weekly time frame. So on a weekly time frame, yes, we were going down, then one green candle, second green candle and narrow candle, third green candle has actually gone till the super trend level, and from there we have seen some rejection, and the rejection is not also with a great volume like this volume. It's a little lower substantial volume, and RSI is also above 50. So this is also indicating a little positive sign for the moment, but let's see what happens. I'm expecting the country to go on a lockdown completely. Only then this can further move up, because only then the cases will drop. Now coming to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we have seen a nice breakout of the super trend level, which is a good bullish sign. But whenever the stock breaks the super trend level, there will be a retracement back till this super trend. So even if the market comes down till 31,780, you don't get surprised, because there might be a possibility that it can retrace from this level. But in case if the market breaks this level, then you can expect a huge fall from here, so which we should pray that it shouldn't happen. And today, one of the most important thing which I will teach you is that how do you pick up stocks for your investing. It's a very simple technique which I'm going to teach you, and anybody can apply this technique and make money in a long-term investment. So what we are going to do is we are going to a simple strategy which you're going to use on a weekly chart, and ensure that you follow this rule-based system always, so that your entry is always with the rule, exit is also with the rule. So let me take you to my Sharekhan trading terminal, and I have already plotted the required required indicators here. So we are not going to use anything different here. It's the same pattern. We are going to use a 14 and 3 super trend. Sorry, 14 and 2 super trend. Let me show it to you. Okay, so we have a super trend which is 14.2, simple moving average 200, exponential moving average 20, and volume. Okay, so it's all about the game of super trend here. Whenever you plot this on a weekly time frame, the rule is very simple. Let me just open my drawing board. Sharekhan is one of the best trading tools which you can have. Even if you don't use that for trading, always open an account with Sharekhan and just use it to use the terminal and use the charts. Okay, so the rule is very simple. Whenever this 14 and 2 is broken and the candle is closing above this, this is where you have to enter in your stock and then go long. And the simple rule is that you should always wait again till the candle closes below the super trend. So here the candle came close to this. You would have been in negative territory with this kind of a setup here, but you have to hold till the candle closes below this. If the candle is closing below this, then you exit your trade. This is a simple rule. Some trades you will lose money, some trades you will make big money. Look at this trade itself. Here it has not closed below the super trend, but it rallied till the peak. So the rally came from about okay, so it started from about 6624 and it went up to 11,000. So this is the kind of movement you can capture for weeks. So this one candle is 1 week. So you're holding it after investing for like nearly about 2 months, 2 to 3 months. Okay, then your gain is like this. So always your quantity has to be the kind of risk which you are taking. Suppose you are taking a 1% risk, then you need to look at this candle, see the entry price, see the stop loss price of the super trend. Okay, just put 5 points below the super trend and then calculate your quantity basis that. So if your stop loss is about 20 points, okay, then you put your average, your capital is 1 lakh, then you invest about 1% risk is what you're taking. So take 1% of 1 lakh and then divide that by this 20. So you will get your quantity. So trade only with that quantity and keep running along with the super trade. So very simple technique. Okay. So if you want, I can put it in Excel for you so you can understand. Like your capital is okay. So what is the rule we are going to follow, guys? It's a simple rule. For example, let's take Axis Bank. The rule is simple. You need to have 200, 20 and a super trend. So whenever a super trend is giving an entry, take the entry, see the price at 485 and ride along till the end of the super trend. Here is the exit point, which is 678. So you have gained about 200 points in this trade. So like this you have to go and follow. For example, if you see Grasim, always look out for entries like this where your price is about 20, super trend is also giving an entry. Here the entry was at 607. Exit is still not happened because the candle didn't close below this. It's already double your money from here, 600 to 1400. HCL Tech, you can see the entry is at 517. Exit is now, which is 909. So these are all weekly candles, so you have to wait for the week to close. Hindalco, has given an entry at 129 and but exited at 165. Again an entry at 201, and now it is still holding 364. So it doesn't matter, you can enter multiple times and exit, but the quantity or the rule to follow on the quantity part is this, that if your capital is at about 1 lakh, your risk percentage is 2%, then your capacity will be about 2000. So per trade you have to invest 2000. So what is your stop loss? If your stop loss is from the price to the super trend, whatever is the difference, that will be your stop loss points. So if you take that stop loss points, the quantity to trade will be a simple calculation of this divided by this. So 66 quantity is what you need to trade. If your stop loss is more, 50 points, then this will become 40 quantity. So like this you have to allocate your capital for each of the trades. And for example, if you want to look at Infi is also given an entry at this point 680, and now it is at 1354. So guys, with this simple technique you can make this entry and exit. Follow the same rule, don't apply your mind at all, just follow the rules. Green candle closing above the super trend, make an entry. Red candle closing below the super trend, exit the trade. Okay, do this for like 20 trades and see the kind of money you're going to make.